In this video I'm going to show you how to add a password to Google Forms. So it is very easy. We have created a new form and I will call it access form with passport. Now as you can see, we can ask the first question like what is your name, and people can answer it. So we will add another question, and this next question will be enter password. Now select short answer that is necessary, and the next one make it required, and then we will click on the multiple options, so more options. There you will find response validation. With this function we make it necessary that people answer the right password in this text box. So what we will do, we will select text and contains, make sure this is selected, and the next one will be the password. For example, your password will be test, and now we need to make an error message that they have answered the wrong password. So we will make it like incorrect password. Now the next step is to add a new section. So the new section will be visible after these answers are correctly filled in. So the next step is to, of course, create a new one. Let's say we make it the form. We will call it the form. Now we will add a question. And as you can see, if I scroll a little bit down, now we can fill in the first question. Like, what is 1 + 1? Now don't make it multiple choice, just use short answer. People can answer it. For example, we will leave it like this. Now what we are going to do, we are going to test our form. So we will check if this part will be visible after they have correctly answered the password. So what we will do, we will publish it quickly. After that we can copy the link and we will copy it. Now we will go to a new tab. We will enter this one, and as you can see, access form with password. Now what you can do is fill in your name, and after that I will do the wrong password. Let's say testing. We have the password test with a capitalized letter, and if we fill in testing, you will see incorrect password. So people will need to fill in the correct password. Now if you click next, now they can access the form. As you can see, the first question is visible, and this is how you add a password to Google Forms. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!